Blocking has been the name of the game for San Sebastian whenever they face JRU. Set number 2 officially underway. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Anton Rojas, Carly Hernandez, and Bianca Tagarda, your broadcast trio for our first play-in match. Coach Mia hoping for another strong start para dito sa kanyang koponan.
First point goes to JRU this time.
Zarina Ramos, talagang markado na nung dulo. Binantayan na ng San Sebastian si Ramos.
Alam kasi nila na talagang siya yung katrabaho dito no?
Oh, JRU giving up a chance ball. Alonia. Ramos.
I don't think that's good. Another point for JRU. Actually, ganito din sila kanina nung first set. Talagang mataas talaga yung pine-perform nila, no? Which is, ang pinakakailangan lang talaga nila is maging consistent until the end. Kasi nga, magaling din maghabol talaga yung San Sebastian.
Santos.
That's too long. Same scenario.
Oo nga
Pero hindi natin kailangan. Hindi tayo makakapagsabi talaga. Malalaman natin yan sa mga bandang 20 points na.
Yeah, sabi nga natin yung 6-point lead, hindi safe yan sa
Yeah, that's
NCAA. Eh, kahit 8-point nga, hindi safe. Nahabol pa ng San Sebastian. Ramos.
Another one from Ramos.
4-0 start. Mukhang kailangan ulit manermo ni Coach Roger.
Kaso nakangiti ngayon si Coach Roger
Santos, ang lakas nun.
Powerful hit by Santos.
You could hear it from the
Yes.
sound.
Sa kabila pa yun, Ano kayang feeling nung natamaan yun, Tapos walang sleeves.
So nakakatulong yung sleeves.
Yeah, oo,
Okay.
nakakatulong siya. Pag sanay ka or ano. Pag hindi kasi ayaw din Pag hindi sanay.
Yes, some I noticed that like some liberos started wearing the sleeves. And actually, I always wondered kung ano ba yung effect nun.
It's a compression na din kasi. So, medyo mas hindi mo mapipil na pagod yung arms mo, kaka-receiver, kaka-ano ng bola since covered na siya.
5-1. Balahadya. Marasigan. Diala tossing it up to Ramos.
Wow! Back-to-back points from Ramos. Siya to. Siya lahat yan.
At eto na. Tumime out na si Coach Roger Gorayev. He has seen enough. JRU with another early lead.
Paano kayo makakadepensa? Tapos inuunat-unat niyo yung katawan ninyo. Ano ba kayo? Gawa ba kayo sa lastiko? Hindi naman kayo rubber banda. Galaw niyo yung paa niyo. Inaabangan niyo yung mabablock na bola. Abangan niyo yung lulusot sa block. Hindi yung mabablock na bola para hindi kayo nagugulat. Tapos kung tagal-tagal niyo ng mga player, hindi niyo pa alam gagawin niyo.
Coach Roger is being Coach Roger.
Another
Tama
quotable
nga
quote.
naman,
Rubber band.
Rubber band.
And then, sa dulo ng huddle na yun, nung nagsalita na yung mga players, parang, eto na naman sila.
Tsaka sanay na talaga sila, no?
Naghahabol na naman. Ramos. Balahadya. Santos.
Yes!
May effect talaga yung mga huddle ni Coach Roger.
Panggising, no? It's a battle between Santos and Ramos this time. Iba din talaga, alam ni Coach Roger kung paano niya gigisingin.
Jump serve para kay
Good
Santos.
serve and a good receive.
Batara, quick attack.
Napansin ko lang dito no, sa JR, hindi mo talaga pwedeng targetin yung mga libero talaga nila. Sobrang stable ng receive. And dun sila nakakapag-play.
Alonia, 5-year libero. And there she is, chasing that volleyball. Oh! Walang pumikap.
Sayang!
Hinabol talaga.
Siguro na-shock yung mga teammates niya na nahabol niya yung bola. Oh. Oo nga.
There's the pass. Cross court. Oh! Ah,
I think it's a bad landing nung braso niya.
so we have a technical timeout. JRU is up 8-3. And Bianca Tagarda will give us an update from courtside when we return.
Mga kapuso, you're still watching the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament here at the San Andres Sports Complex. For graduating team captain Kring Batara, who refuses to back down, inilahad niya sa akin how bittersweet she feels today, knowing that this might be her last volleyball game in college. Kwento niya nga, volleyball has always been her first love, pero hindi naging madali ang volleyball sa kanya. 7 years pa lang siya in this sport, and she even had to play softball first for a year just to have higher chances of getting a spot in the Taraflex. Sabi niya nga sa volleyball niya nabuo ang kumpiyansa niya as an athlete. And no matter how high the stakes are today, sisiguraduhin niyang ibibigay niya ang puso niya sa bawat laro, just like how she fought for her spot here years ago. Anton and Carly?
And those are the stories that we just love because yan yung hindi natin alam unless we talk or hear it from the courtside reporters na ang bawat pwesto sa isang volleyball team. Imagine, there's so many students in the whole school and you only have 14 spots on the team. Not
Totoo
everybody's gonna make it.
Totoo yan. Hirap talaga. As in, tsagaan. Tsatsagain mo talaga yan. Hindi siya, kumbaga hindi siya ganun kadali talaga na makukuha. Lalo na sa ganitong situation na lalaroan mo talaga. Paghihirapan mo talaga.
Naalala mo pa ba nung nag-tryout ka? Ilang kayong students na
madami
nag-tryout?
kami.
Punong-puno siguro yung gym.
Actually, wala pa nga mga students that time. Talagang,
Mga recruit talaga.
oo. Mga around 25.
Oh, wow.
25. And then, nakapasok lang sa Team A is 6 lang kami.
Grabe.
Yes. 6 lang ba? Yeah,
So, as a student athlete, you cherish these moments because they only come once in a lifetime.
that's true.
Deyala scores.
Sobrang gaan ang aura ni Ayala, no? Talagang good vibes lang siya. Good serve.
Back set for Marasigan. Batara was there. Isa pa. Para kay Tina.
Finally for Marasigan. Naghahabol pa sila dito.
Parang favorite ng San Sebastian na maghabol.
Mahirap yan.
Pinapahirapan yung sarili.
Pagod yan.
6 points for Marasigan.
Gusto daw nila ng challenge.
Oh. Dalawa silang nag-set nun. Kalahati ang Junicio.
Double contact. San Sebastian. Rizal University gets a free point.
Batara at the service line.
Batara, 11-4.
Another player who showed tremendous improvement last season and then earned the captaincy nitong season 101. Drop ball para kay Deala. Balahadya to Santos. Back row.
Santos from the back.
Another one from Santos from the back.
Catwoman soars and scores.
Hindi mo rin alam talaga kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola eh, no? Kung saan siya nakaharap, hindi niya doon dadalhin. So, hindi mo doon naabangan.
One of the best back row attackers in the NCAA, Kath Santos. Oh!
That's in.
Sends it all the way back.
Long ball. Attack from Ayala.
Diana to serve. 12-5.
An ace for Nicole.
Diana.
Parang replay ah. 13-5 ulit.
Kaya nga hindi ako nagtotalk eh, kasi hindi natin alam eh kung ano.
Replay. Kaya alam, marireplay ba ng San Sebastian yung habol nila?
Ramos.
Now, it is a 9-point lead, the biggest of the match.
She's targeting yung between ng libero talaga and the sweeper, no? Talagang mahihirapan ka kung sinong kukuha eh.
Rizal University.
Wow. JRU with a 9-point lead. Running attack. Second running attack for Junicio. 2 out of 2 for number 2.
But still a point. Medyo nag-struggle lang siya doon. Pero point pa rin. Good receive.
Iniisip ko pa lang yung potential na habulin ng San Sebastian itong lead. Napapagod na ako. Oh, wow. She's okay.
Yes. Sabi ni Ramos, tingnan daw natin.
So, Sophie Ramos. Kanina, masama yung bagsak niya. She was moving her right shoulder. But she's fighting it out.
Nakapuntos pa.
2 straight points, back-to-back points for San Sebastian. Ramos.
Ramos again. Grabe, talagang hindi nila mapigilan si Ramos dito since nung first set.
10 points for Zarina Ramos. Regalo para sa JRU. Coach Mia Dioseco hoping that the Lady Bombers take this set in this do-or-die play-in matchup. Lamang ang JRU kontra San Sebastian, 16-7. So, let's take a look at the quarterfinal scenario. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, San Sebastian JRU, ang premyo ng mananalo ay makalaban ng hindi pa natatalong kumurahan dito sa Women's Volleyball Tournament, ang Letran, na meron pang twice to beat advantage. Guys, Letran is waving.
Nag-high na sila.
Kaya na hindi
Waiting.
yung JRU pinapahaba pa eh. Siyempre, JRU is also fighting for their playoff lives here in the NCAA. Ramos. New player on the floor, Abraham. First appearance dito sa laro natin. Ruiz is also in for the first time. Parang
Ramos again.
sabi ni Coach Roger, season 102 lineup na yung gagamitin ko.
Thin rain.
Season 102.
Sinubukan.
Nawala bigla yung mga veterano. Fast forward na. And it's a 10-point lead.
Parang ayoko pa rin eh. Ayoko pa rin mag-talk. Oh.
Daya mo, ayaw mo mag-talk.
But it's an error this time for San Sebastian. But we'll see. Dahil hindi pa to imposible.
Ayan, mag-talk muna si Coach Roger.
Galing sa likod papunta doon sa unahan. Pasubsob yung set mo. Buti ko nandun sa harapan yan, makukuha basta. Ikaw naman, ay di mo kaya habulin. Anong iniingatan mo? Matouch net ka? Ang layo-layo ng bola sa net. Pwede mo namang unahan, bilisan mo, mag-vertical ka. Wala kayong bolang dumadating sa unahan. Walang dumadating, kaya puro tayo open eh. Ano bang problema? Ba't di kayo makareceive? Ano ang problema ninyo?
The tables have turned here in set number 2. At base sa nakikita natin, if you've been watching the game and if you're looking at this on the left side of your screens, mukhang magtutuloy-tuloy na ang JRU
Coach
dito sa
Roger
set na to.
Coach Roger knows na kaya talaga nila na makipagsabayan, di ba? Nakuha nga nila yung first set. It's just that wala talaga silang receive this set.
Balahadya with a chicken wing to keep that ball alive. Cross court. Balahadya. Gonzalez back row picked up by Diala. Free ball mapupunta sa San Sebastian. Balahadya, kanino siya pupunta? Drop ball does not work. Buhay pa to. Ramos. Is it on the line?
That's in.
First referee says YES.
There's a challenge on
That's
the ball
in.
by San Sebastian for ball out.
And it's Ramos again.
First referee says yes. Carly Hernandez says yes.
Yes.
San Sebastian says no, not yet. It's a challenge namin yan. Wala naging season 102 lineup na talaga.
Start early daw, sabi ni Coach. So, okay na din talaga na nabibigyan ng opportunity na yung mga next batch.
And siguro gusto ipa-realize ni Coach Roger na wala nang bukas to kung matatalo sila to the veterans, the trio of graduating players.
It's like now or never.
Now or never.
Let's see if it's in or it's out.
Ooh. Out. Wow.
Tama nga ang challenge nila.
That's why you have to trust your gut. Everybody.
Kudos to the assistant coach
Oh,
na nakakita noon agad.
Coach Clint and Coach Roger, even though the world believed it was in, they said no, it's out. Ngayon naman, ang JRU sabi,
Block touch.
may block touch.
Hindi magpapatalo.
Parang ano parang kaso may countersuit.
Mainit-init talaga ang laban.
Pumunta sa Supreme Court. Oh! Oh! There was evidence!
Wow!
May ebidensya!
Ang galing.
Huli!
Coach Mia is smiling. Because she knows. I know.
Ang
She said,
galing.
I know.
A knowing smile. JRU leads 19-7.
Oh, that's too strong.
So this is a huge cushion now for the Lady Bombers.
the serving deck for San Sebastian.
There's the pass. Balahadya. JM setting up Abraham. Ramos. Balahadya. Picked up by Gonzalez. Here's the toss. Karabot.
Good defense for both teams.
Oh! Ruiz couldn't send it over to the other side. Ruiz keeps it alive though.
Oh!
Blocking for JRU.
Doon na natapos. Alam nila eh. Alam ng blockings ng JRU na anytime talaga lulusot talaga. So hindi nila pinabayaan yung harapan.
Serving deck is Julia de Matawara, 20-8.
Julia Di Matawaran very active.
Side of San Sebastian.
As is Yonko on defense. ZJ De Posoy on your screens.
Nagsa-struggle talaga yung San Sebastian ngayon sa receive since sobrang bibigat talaga ng pinapakawalan ng mga service ng JRU ngayon.
Abraham, oh no.
Yes, and also their blocking is on point.
Things have fallen apart for San Sebastian here in set number 2. And an appearance of Dolly Versosa, former Queen Bomber. Biglang katabi ni Coach Mia sa bench. Kanina wala si Coach Dolly.
That's a health ball at the side of Jose Rizal University. Point goes to San Sebastian.
Another point for San Sebastian. We'll see if mahabol pa to or hindi na.
Posoy now on the serving deck, 9-22.
Balahadya. Back set. Abraham.
Abraham! Kanina niya pa gustong gawin yung cross-court na yon pero nagkumagana talaga yung blocking ng JRU. But this time, nakita mo na huli yung blocker ng JRU and then a cross-court hit.
Cross-court bounce ball para dito kay Abraham. But it's a 12-point lead for JRU.
Too strong.
Gonzalez, too strong. Back on the serving deck, Nina Ramos, 23-10.
Ramos. Regalo. Oh, too strong for Deala.
Sayang opportunity na sana to get that point pero medyo na-excite si Ayala doon. Talagang inabangan na ni Deala sa ibabaw eh. No? Na mali lang talaga ng hampas.
Dalawa na lang ang kailangan ng JRU dito. Sharp serve. Ball is in the air. Deala tossing it over to the other side. Juname. Picked up by Zarina. Nicole, cross court. JRU at set point.
It's Ramos and Deala's game. Wow.
JRU, can they close it out here in set number 2? Gonzalez, cross court. Alonia keeps it alive. Balahadya to the middle. KJ Dionisio with a quick.
Dionisio said, no, it's not yet done. Ang bilis nun.
Low and fast. Can't catch that.
Good pass.
Batara. And Kring Batara closes the set. JRU ties the match up. A dominant set number 2 for the Lady Bombers, who have detonated here in this set. Kring Batara, the captain, wants this to be an extension of her career. She wants to play another match in the NCAA. We shall see set number 3 when we come back.